Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2312, Split to Worksheets. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jung. Let's follow up on something from 2019, a review of a product called WB Merge. And I'll put a link up there in the eye to go check out that video that shows you how to merge several different worksheets together. And when I was talking to John, the guy that wrote it, I said, hey, there used to be a great utility from DataPig Technologies before that website went dark. It was called Workbook Split. You have a utility here that merges things together. Why don't you build a utility that will split things back apart? And he did it, right? So I want to show you how cool this is. My data today, 563 rows. I have 27 unique customers in column E, and I want to split each customer to a new worksheet. Now, what I actually have here is I copy that data out to a workbook called SplitMe. And in order for this to work, you have to name your range. The column names have to be in the first row of that named range. So I selected all this data here, came up to the name box, typed SplitMe, no space there, by the way. Press enter, and that creates a name, right? So we have that file. File close that. And then we'll come over here to WB Merge. And this is the interface I showed you in that last video, but extra tools, Worksheet Split. All right, so how to split a workbook. It tells you here to define a name. It can be any name you want, right? As long as it's just a single word. So I'll select the workbook, SplitMe. Please select the named range to split. All right, so it's that one right there. Select range to split. All right, and then which column? So I open this column. I want to split based on customer. So the customer column. Set the split column. If there were some customers I didn't want, like we had an internal customer, I could uncheck them. That's nice. Now the max that we can have here is 100, which is probably about right, because if we're creating worksheets in a workbook, you're limited by available memory. I've seen 100. I've seen maybe 150, but 100 is the limit, and we'll live with that. Next step, which columns do we want? I want all of those columns. Click OK. And next step, are we going to split to worksheets, one worksheet within a book, or split to a new workbook? So I'm going to say split to worksheets. Enter the target folder. So let's just choose this PC, C:, and my AAA folder. Click OK. And then the new workbook name will be called My Split Results. My Split Results. And XLSX will be automatically added. And then right down here, execute split. Man, is that fast. The split's completed successfully. We'll come back to our AAA folder, and there's my split results. And there we are. Look at that. So for each customer, ABC Stores had 4 records, AT&T had a whole bunch of records. You see that AT&T, that ampersand, that's an illegal character, so AT-T, Bank United, Boeing, Citigroup, Compaq, Cummins Engine, all the way through. Really, really cool bit of technology there. Now, what if you want these to be individual workbooks? So let's come back to Workbook Split. This time I'll say split to workbooks. Please enter the target folder, C: AAA. Great. And execute split. Again, amazingly fast. And if we come back here to our folder, you see that I now have 27 new workbooks. Each workbook has the records from that customer. Awesome tool here. WB Merge now offers WB Split. Check down in the YouTube comments for a link to that product if you have to do this routinely. Boy, what a great product. Check out my book, Mr. Excel LX, The Holy Grail of Excel Tips. Click that eye in the top right-hand corner. And hey, if you like the tips in this video, please click subscribe and ring that bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the YouTube comments below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.